Hi! So you know that hundreds of competitive exams are held for jobs in the Indian government and the public sector banks. The recruitment and selection bodies for such jobs are the SSC, IBPS and SBI exams. These bodies recruit thousands of people in over 20 nationalized banks and other government organizations like the FCI, airport authorities, postal and telecom departments, government financing institutes, income tax department, customs department, NDMC, DMRC and the Indian Railways. These public sector jobs are much sought and very hard to come by. To get ahead and crack the entrance exams, you need a support system which will give you the extra edge over the competition. Smart Prep offers exam prep coaching for SSC and IBPS exams by training the student in the 4 important areas of general knowledge, verbal ability, quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. A 3-month intensive course with Smart Prep helps students enhance their test preparation for 2 hours every day and 6 days a week.
Honestly telling you, after completing my post-graduation, I had no idea actually what to do. Then after having a good discussion with the counselor, I got to know that there is a lot of scope in the public sector. So eventually, now I will be appearing for the bank probationary officer examination this year. And I believe that every success demands hard work as well as smart work. Now, as of what I feel that hard work everyone can do. But when it comes to smart work, it requires a lot of accuracy testing, speed testing and general knowledge. And for that, trust me, Smart Prep does give a very good emphasis.
Students often confuse preparation for government exams with other postgraduate examinations. In reality, there are a lot of differences when appearing for bank PO exams. One needs to have good general knowledge and rigorous practice to excel at these exams. Here at Smart Prep, we ensure that students appearing for these public sector employment exams know this difference. This program is designed to ensure that not only their knowledge is up to the mark, but also they build upon this speed.
Smart Prep's detailed performance reports, tests and analysis focus on speed and accuracy, clubbed with individual attention from teachers, availability of online and mobile testing options, and customized course material helps a student not just prepare hard, but prepare smart. A total of 10 mock tests, 46 session end tests, 92 speed tests, 12 weekly tests and comprehensive study material gives students the edge that they need to stay ahead of the competition. So what are you waiting for? On your mark, Smart Prep.